In this video, I'll be showing you the mold making process for the silicone mold and preparation for the cast in place antler tine repairs. Brushing on the silicone onto some existing tines, a thin layer at a time, building it up to a sufficient thickness that it'll support the mold. This resin silicone system takes 24 hours to cure, and once it's cured it can be pulled off, and preparation on the repair tines can take place where I drill in a number 7 drill and tap it with a 1/4-20 tap and install some 1/4-20 all thread to support the repair material. Turned it upside down and filled up the molds with the resin and slipped it over the tines to be repaired, and within a couple of minutes you're pulling that back off and starting the blending transition process. Once it's blended, on this particular set of antlers, a raw umber stain was used to stain the repair areas back up to match with the existing antlers. Thank you for watching.